Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all. Here today we are going to learn how to use Google Classroom for our online teaching. From your desktop or laptop, open your browser window and open the google.com. From this google.com, just with your default Gmail ID, click here at the Google Apps, and from these Google Apps, search for Google Classroom. Here comes Google Classroom. When we click on it, all the enrolled classes or created classes under this account will be listed in front of us. Here with this account, I have these classes where I am registered, enrolled. I am added as a co-teacher with these classes: MPS 10th session 2020, 9th, 8th, Rose and 8th Jasmine Tulip. These are the classes where I am registered as a co-teacher, whereas this is my own created class for my ex-students of second year, and this is the class where I am enrolled MPS staff as a student. Today we will go to learn how to create our own class or how to join any class. First step, we are going to create our own class. Here comes this plus symbol. When we bring the cursor on this plus symbol, a screen tip shows us create or join a class. Click on it, and here comes the two options: join the class or create the class. Join the class as a student or create the class as a teacher. Click on this create class. Here comes using Google Classroom at a school with students. These are all the informations which Google shares with us, and this is actually your agreement that we should properly read all the stuff and then show our agreement that I have read and understand the above notice, and I am not using Google Classroom at a school with students. Continue. Here comes your Google Classroom name, which is required and which will be displayed in your account, just as here we can see that MPS 8 or CS second year. These are the names that is required for a class. So I am going to create my own class for my upcoming first year students. So that is CS class for first year. Then comes section, if you want to give section to your class. Otherwise, here comes, you can give subject. For example, this is computer science. Class. So other things are also you can mention, room. Otherwise, just create on it. Google is creating this named class under this account and will gives us a code for this class, and this code will be shared with the students, and students will use this code to join the class. Here comes my created class. This is name of the class, say as first year. This is the code EDSARBA. This code will be used by my students to join the class. Simply you can copy this code, select and copy it, and go to your other communication media. For example, we are using the WhatsApp group. Go to your new browser window and launch the WhatsApp web. if your session is as already established, your WhatsApp web will be open with your inbox. Otherwise, go to your mobile setting, WhatsApp web, and scan this code from your mobile WhatsApp. And here is the WhatsApp window. So simply you can go to your required number of group, name of the group where you want to share this created code for the Google Classroom. For example, at my practice, I am sharing this code with my department. Here comes your department. Paste this code. Otherwise, this WhatsApp group will be for your first year class. So first year class group will receive this code and will join using this code. Okay, you can give some related detail that why you are using, why you are sharing this code. So in this way, your Google class code will be shared with your WhatsApp class group. So students will use this class group and will enter the class or register, enroll in this class. So in this way, they will get into the Google Classroom. Hope so. At this point, we have learned that how we can create a Google Classroom for our classes. In next class, in next session, we will see that how we will organize this Google platform for our students to deliver the lecture material, to assign some assignments or some quizzes, and how to mark them and how to export the results in Google Sheets. A lot of stuff is coming there. If you have any query, you can ask. Thank you.